Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix system cooling policy is missing on Windows. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. What you need to do here is to right click on your desktop and you just need to press new and create a new text document. Then open that particular text document and you need to put this command here. Then the command will be in the video description below, so you can easily copy and paste it. Then press file, then you need to go to and save as, then you can give it a name, for example, cooling, right? And then make sure all files are selected and then select not txt, but reg, right? And save it to your desktop or to whatever you like. And then you need to open that particular file. So this is the file, so just need to double click on it. Then you should get this window here and press yes. And then you should get this window here. And after you do so, if we go to edit power plan, and then we need to go to power options, change plan settings, and then change advanced power settings. We can see under the processor power management, there is system cooling policy. So that's pretty much it.